Operator's point of view, power machinist. Really comfortable seat, good standard maintenance. Yeah, I'm more than satisfied. It's passes me. I'm really happy I got the opportunity to come and test the machinery. Just finished doing a test run, lowered about 30 years ago now, getting my forklift license in Australia. We're the toughest place in the world to do that. It's important looking at an operator's point of view, how a machine is. I mean, although this is brand new, it makes it a little easier. But for an operator's perspective, very easy to do your operating inspections. So you can check everything, you can walk around through and look at everything. It's very simple, from your air filters, from your whole engine bay, your fuel filters are there. Just a general, easy for the operator. For operator's perspective, again, comfort. This is a seat that was originally designed and actually manufactured and supplied by Toyota here, Toyota China. Really comfortable seat. You feel protected. Got the safety standard for the seat belt. Simple gauges, small steering wheel, nice and strong. And one of the things I really noticed with testing the unit, the front, forward and reverse switch is just solid. Like, you know, it's one of the things that get used constantly. Nice strong unit, safety standards are high, nice LED lighting for night operation, so that's important. So just well built, all in all. Good standard maintenance and upkeep, like anything. You're going to have a good, solid, long life with this machine. So, and one of the best things is that if you need any parts, they don't source it elsewhere. It's all made in-house. So it's going to be nice and simple to get replacements, which for end user, importer, reseller, that's a very important thing because it keeps things nice and simple. I'm more than satisfied with the cost of me. So